Hi folks, we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to zoom your video in or out on Premiere Pro. So I have laid down this soundbite here. You can see that it's quite a wide shot, and with all the other things that are going on in this non-timeline that I have here, pretend there's a timeline there, I want to zoom this in. So I think that's just a little too loose on her. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down to our actual sequence timeline down here. We're going to highlight the clip that we want to zoom in on. So you can see that video is highlighted. Then we're going to come over here, up here to the upper left, and we're going to click on Effects Controls. And the first thing that you will see is video. And you will see a position and you will see a scale. So if I want to zoom in on her, I will want to take this scale, and you can either type it in or you can scrub it. So if you want to make it smaller, you make it smaller. Or if you want to make it bigger, you make it bigger. Okay? And then you'll want to reposition her. So you do the same thing. Okay? And then we can give her, a little bit of nose room now that we've zoomed her in. And there you go. It is just that simple. You adjust the scale for as big or as small as you want your object to be, and then you reposition them on the screen wherever it is that particular zoom in or zoom out looks good. And that will stay that way for the whole clip.
Oh yeah, I love it.
I love it too. There you go, how to zoom in.